Hey guys, today is the third day at Sikkim and today we are going to the Gangtok sightseeing, like nearby places, and then we'll go to Kalimpong. And so this is the last day at my hotel and I haven't made you see my hotel room, so here it is. Guys, this is my hotel room. We are leaving today, so that's why it's messed up. And I showed you my balcony, it's closed now. So it's quite big actually. It has a TV and a cupboard too. So till now the experience is quite great, but not like yesterday was the horrible experience for me. Like we went to like the lake or the temple. What temple was it? Baba Harbhajan Singh temple, and it was on the top of the mountain. Like what happened, like I don't know what happened to me. I was all numb, and I guess because it was so cold, I didn't know that it was so cold. I didn't bring any like winter clothes and stuff, so that's why I guess it was difficult for me. And also there was a plus point there, there was a shop, like you can borrow, you can rent the winter clothes, and you should actually, like it was very cold there, very cold. And yeah, like you should bring photographs and 2 to 3 photocopies of your Aadhaar card, because it is necessary here. It's a military area and you got to get the permits there. So yeah, today we'll not be going to the higher altitude, so I guess it would be better for me, and hope I don't get car sick. Now like I'm going for the breakfast and we'll leave by 8 o'clock or 8:30 probably. So yeah, let's get to the breakfast. So guys, we are here at the flower exhibition center. The entry fee is ₹20 per person. So guys, the second place we are visiting today is the Directorate of Handicrafts and Handloom. So the ticket for adult is ₹15 and children below 12 years are free. So yeah. So guys, the third place we are visiting is Namgyal University, and the ticket was rupees 20, and like the photography is not allowed. I won't be taking you all with me, so sorry guys. So bye. So now we are going to the Dodrul Chotan Monastery. I don't know how to pronounce, but it's very steep and it's 5 minutes from the previous museum. So guys, we are at the Ban Jhakri waterfalls, and the ticket per person is rupees 50. So I'll show you the view. So I am doing an adventure. Seriously, I was like, I am going to fall. I am like, it was like after 2 minutes, my hands started paining, and you have to like grab the rope very tightly.